So this is Callaloo. Yep, this is Callaloo. And you may look at it and think it's just one stalk or one stem of Callaloo. But hey, this is gonna give a lot of vitamins and minerals, including iron, yes, and phosphorus, green leafy veggies. Yes, it's windy. So we're gonna cut it. Go ahead, honey. Cut it. You want to go lower there. No, not too low, because this one really should have been cut earlier.
There's a bud right here that could bud and grow again.
Yeah, so you cut above it.
Yeah.
Right. So that's where it's gonna sprout again. Yeah. So yeah, and look here. There's another one here that we'll cut. And the culprit was found. Yeah, that was eating. So you can see, yeah, there was a caterpillar eating this and the one before. So yeah, we can cut it up higher. Yeah. So yeah, it will sprout further. It will spring again. Yeah. So when you cut your plants, yeah, you cut it and it will sprout again. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.